These sort of cars don't come through our hands very often, but when they do, they really are amazing. Hyundai i30 style, 1.4, 108 brake horsepower. What an incredible find this is. Finished in Continental silver metallic with just 23,996 miles. That's what it's done, 23,996 miles. Registered in March 2009 09 plate. Absolutely exceptional condition all the way around. Really is beautiful, great family car, very spacious. Let's give you a good close-up around. Great size boot on the vehicle, beautifully clean, split folding rear seats, quite rare these days. Full size spare wheel, all the complete toolkit there, and lots of storage under there as well. As you can see, the bodywork is absolutely incredible for its age. All the wheels in great condition. We've not had these refurbished. This is how the vehicles come in. Good tyres all the way around. Again, a close up on the near side front wheel and the tyre as well. All matching tyres all across the front. Hardly any marks at all. Obviously you'd expect a few stone chips for its age, but it is in amazing condition. It really is beautiful all the way around. Very reliable cars, these Hyundais. Again, the offside front wheel, and of course the tyre. All down the sides, and this is why we do the videos, to prove to you we have nothing to hide, full transparency. It's almost like you walking around the car with us. A real close-up. All the trims inside in great condition. Electric windows front and rear, part leather upholstery, Isofix. Plenty of legroom in there. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells. All the window switches there. There's some door pocket storage there. Electric mirrors. Driver's seat height adjustment. Again, if you look at the upholstery on the driver's seat, hardly anywhere at all. Remember, it's a 2009 car. Front center armrest with additional storage in there as well. And there's a mileage, 23,996. Been the same family from almost new. We have lots of paperwork, lots of service history to the vehicle. Air conditioning, stereo CD, five-speed manual gearbox, bit of nifty storage at the top of the dashboard there. Beautiful clean inside. Just shown to the bonnet. Nicely ticking away. You can hardly hear the engine. Lovely and smooth. We've just carried out a full service on the vehicle. So there we have it. A Hyundai i30 style with just 23,996 miles, representing great value for money for such an exceptional vehicle. Click and reserve this car 24/7 direct off our website. Alternatively, give us a call on 01782 822 700. Click and reserve, collect from our showrooms in Stoke on Trent, or ask about home delivery. Our phone number again, 01782 822 700. Read about our raving fans reviews. You'll see why customers come back to us time and time again over generations.
So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997, and our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, and MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, of exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.